Hello girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to get these beach wavy curls without damaging your hair at all. So let's begin with the process. First I'm gonna put some serum to my hair and make sure while you're doing this your hair are a little damp. Now divide them into two equal parts and take any robe's waistband or any similar piece of cloth long enough to cover your hair fully depending upon your hair's length. Use a small clutcher to hold this thing onto your hair and now start taking little strands of hair and tightly wrap it around the rope's waistband thing. Keep adding small layers with each turn and make sure you're doing this tight enough so that neat curls form and stay in for longer. Also, if you're liking this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends and girlfriends, and do let me know in the comment section if you tried this at home. Secure the end with a tight rubber band and make sure it doesn't loosen up. Now you have to repeat the same process on the other side of your hair also. Clutch both of these at the back of your hair, and this is how it is going to look after you're done braiding. And let it rest for about 7 to 8 hours. If you wish, you can even leave these overnight. Now after the set duration, you have to open these braids with very light and soft hands. Voila! You are now ready to flaunt your soft and wavy curls. Also guys, tune in for more content and be safe.